Let's shift focus and talk about commodities. How's that massive amount of liquidity injection? What's it doing to the commodity universe? Let's find out from our commodities editor, Manisha Gupta, joins us live as always. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that, Sandeep. We've seen the liquidity injection coming in from ECB. We also have seen Bernanke not hinting towards another QE3, and that really nulled the impact, and you saw that heavy correction in the markets yesterday. But today seems to be a slightly better day, especially for the gold prices after declining 5% yesterday. It's trading nearly 1% on the higher side. Ditto is the case with silver as well, and that one declined 6.5% yesterday, and we've seen 1% of gains coming in for that one as well. Some buying is happening after that very sharp, massive correction yesterday. But one thing that has been continuously holding steady or consolidating has been the crude prices. Didn't see much decline there yesterday. It actually closed 0.5% on the higher side. And 122 is holding in for the Brent crude prices. The Iran issues, the decline in Iran output at around 9-year lows is something that has been supportive of the prices. Also, the data that has come in from US in sense of GDP has been supportive for that market as well. For today, though, you would be watching out for the US ISM numbers and also the initial weekly jobless claims that would come in the evening today.
Okay, Manisha, thanks as always for that. Let's also get you some commodity trading strategies on that note. Milan Bavishi, head commodity research at Inventure Growth and Securities, joins in on the show. Milan, hi, afternoon. Your thoughts on gold and whether or not the 5% decline overnight that we saw on this commodity throws up a good buying opportunity?
Gold saw a sharp sell-off yesterday, and post that today we are expecting there could be some kind of reaction or a small bounce back. Now this bounce back can be used for selling gold. Gold can be sold around 28,300 level on the rises. Keep your stop losses at 28,500 and trade for the targets of 27,800 on the downside.
What about silver, Milan? How would you trade that precious metal?
Silver too can be sold on the upsides around 6,500. Keep your stop losses at 6,900 and trade for the targets of 59,500 on the downside.
Milan, what about crude? Where do you see that one headed?
Crude oil overall is in an uptrend because of tensions in Gulf region. We believe that the recent correction in crude oil can be used for buying it again. Buy crude oil around 5260 levels. Keep your stop loss at 5220 and trade for the targets of 5350.
Finally, a call on copper. Would you be bearish on copper as well?
Copper could see some selling pressure in the coming days. Copper can be sold around the current market levels of around 425. Keep your stop loss at 427 and trade for the targets of 420 on the downside.